I hit that number, it just started going off. Okay. Well, I'm glad because I put in, what, 200? We got a feature. Hopefully it's a good feature. Look at that $1,000. We like take that major home with us. Bonus in the bonus. Okay, we got 8 games. Come on, sunsets. We need buffaloes and sunsets. Oh my goodness. Come on, more buffalo. Oh. I think we need 8 buffalo. Come on, bonus and a bonus. Give us that feature. 3. Nope, that didn't work either. Okay. Last game, something? Come on. Bonus and a bonus. Oh, nothing. Wow. That is so disappointing. That was so disappointing. Oh my goodness, that was so disappointing. I tell you, it is difficult to get. Now, where was that in the bonus? Where was that in the bonus? Y'all see that? Wow. Where was that in the bonus? I believe we need, oh, this music is so loud. Okay, we're gonna end this right now because it's not doing nothing. And we'll find something else. That was 2 cents, denom $4 a spin, last spin. Okay. And that was still horrible too. So I switched machines. I was over there. Now I came to this one. Smaller, major. I don't know. That last bonus was not good. Let's see. Hopefully this one is good. 2 cent denom, $2. Bonus and a bonus is what we want. Come on, buffaloes and sunsets. Re-triggers, we'll take those. Great, because we need a lot of games. It doesn't seem like this, Come on, bonus and a bonus. We need some sunsets and buffaloes. Re-trigger. Yes. Another re-trigger, yes. We need those re-triggers to keep it going because these line hits don't look like they're doing anything. 3. Yes, we need those with some more buffaloes. Come on, game. The heck? Re-trigger. 3. 3. Another 3. Because this is going to save the bonus a little bit. Little bit. Not too much. If those were buffaloes, it would have been better. We need some re-triggers. And we need that bonus and a bonus. Come on. Drop that major. Drop that minor where the major is only 502. Over there, it was $1,000. What to say about this game. First time playing it and it's not showing me something that I like to see. We'll keep playing it and see what's going on. Come on. The little buttons don't even work. I can't even speed it up. There we go. Come on, we need some line hits. Do it more. Oh, does it give us the bonus and the bonus? Come on. Woo, those re-triggers are saving us. But we need some line hits. Saved again by the re-trigger. Oh, come on, line hits. Oh my goodness. a new game, Lightning Buffalo Link at Harris 3. Could have gave us a full screen of those. We would have appreciated that. 2 cents, $2. And that was horrible. We're gonna give it one spin and find something else. It's not worth another spin. Okay, the machine went off again. I don't know what. I was over here. I was over there. Now I'm right here. 2 cents. Still doing my 2 cent denom. Hopefully we get a bonus and a bonus. We didn't get nothing. Ah, those last 2 games. It just went off. So I don't know. Let's see. Come on, big numbers. Oh, just ones. Are you kidding me? Come on, give us a major. Oh. And that's what it decides to do. Come on. Come on. Land it. Land it. We got more. We're going to give it a second more. Come on. Save it. Oh. Didn't want to save it. Okay, we want all together $46 because before I got the Buffaloes came with the sunset, so that was good. That helped out a lot. I don't know. I still haven't really got. I've seen someone do real good, but I don't know. I don't know about this game. I tried. I've been around this whole little circle of lightning links and have not really got anything. Maybe 2 cents is not the thing, but we getting ready to take our monies out because this machine is not doing anything for us. Look at that. All right, find another machine. 113 we cashed in. As I was getting ready to leave, I played a little bit more. Let's see. I'm not too hopeful. I'm getting bonuses, but they're not anything. Hopefully we can get some re-triggers and bonus. That's the only thing that's gonna save us. What did we get? Some jacks? I don't know. Yeah. Switch to pennies and see if that's the only kind of bonus I can get on pennies. I don't know. What is it giving us? We need those re-triggers. I don't know. Last time we got a lot of re-triggers and it did nothing for us. We need sunsets and buffaloes. That's what we need, buffaloes. Buffaloes. Sunset, sunrise, whatever they are, we need it. Okay, we didn't get either. Okay, let's give it a spin. Let's get on out of here, seriously.